CreatorCon. Come on, y'all. CreatorCon. Come on, y'all.
I think this is such a great opportunity to honor and recognize content creators as a career. I think that this is something that's overdue.
One thing that stood out to me so far is just the reminder to just go create and do, because you never know what's going to stick and work and make an impact.
Hearing from these super successful people in Cincinnati who've done a great job just being themselves. They were hilarious and it was really inspiring.
Social media changed my whole life. So it was good to be a part of this today. I don't care what it is you're doing. Stay consistent, little stank. Rah.
This was an absolutely amazing opportunity. There was so much information, so many content creators, and so many brands that were here. And I promise you, I will come every year. And if you are not here, you need to be here next year.